Now, what is the standard form of a polynomial? So, in order to understand the standard form of polynomial, how to write a polynomial in its standard form? It's so simple of writing the standard form of a polynomial that we have to arrange either in ascending powers or in descending powers of the algebraic terms of the polynomial. That arrangement is known as the standard form. Suppose there is a question that is 50x raised to the power 10 minus 6 by 9 x raised to the power 5 plus 12x cube minus root of 7x raised to the power 13 plus 7. In case this is a polynomial, it is satisfying all the conditions. Now I want to ask you how to arrange, that is how to convert it in the standard form. So standard form is either write the terms in the increasing powers or you write in the decreasing powers. So the highest power is 13, coefficient is minus root 7. So I will write, in order to convert its standard form of above polynomial is minus of root 7 x raised to the power 13, then plus of 50x 10, then after 10 we will write minus 6 by 9 x raised to the power 5 plus 12x cube plus 7. So what? This become what? This become the standard form. Though all terms are here and here same, but their order is rearranged. The terms have been arranged according to their power in the decreasing order. First 13 power, then 10 power, then 5 power, then 3 power, then 0 power. So this kind of arrangement where the terms are arranged not as per their coefficients, as per their powers, that arrangement is known as the standard form of a polynomial. As the polynomials have been classified on the basis of their degree, constant polynomial if degree is 0, linear if degree is 1, quadratic if degree is 2, cubic if degree is 3, biquadratic if degree is 4. Same way, there are few names. If there is single term, it is monomial. If there are two terms, it is binomial. If there are three terms, it is trinomial. If there are four terms, it is known as the multinomial. So this is the way of writing or classifying the terms and arranging the terms in their standard form. Now I will explain you what are the zeros of a polynomial, what is the number of zeros polynomial, what is the remainder theorem, factor theorem and their applications. Now I want to tell you what are the zeros of a polynomial. What is the meaning of this word zeros of a polynomial? In case I take an example, that is 3x minus 6. It is a polynomial, yes. It is a linear polynomial, yes. Its degree is 1, okay. Now the question is there any value of x possible? I can represent 3x minus 6 by the symbol px. Px meaning by a polynomial in x is 3x minus 6. If I ask you to trace a value of x which when supplied here makes this result right hand side as 0. At 1, 3 into 1 minus 6 is minus 3. Not. Result is not 0. If I say x is equals to 2, then answer of this become px become p of 2. What I am doing in place of x, I am supplying 2. Px, p of 2 is equals to 3 into 2 minus 6. So p of 2 become 6 minus 6, that is p of 2 is 0. So answer of this expression, algebraic expression, this polynomial becomes 0 when x is considered assumed as what? 2. When x is assumed 2, answer becomes 0. So, we say 2 is the 0 of 3x minus 6. 2 is the 0 of 3x minus 6. So, what is the 0 of a polynomial? 0 of a polynomial is that value which when supplied in place of variable makes this result 0 is known as the 0 of a polynomial. If there is a constant polynomial, suppose I say a polynomial px is 7 and I ask you find or trace or obtain its zeros. It is not possible even to find a single zero because it is a constant polynomial. Its degree is 0 because 7 can be written as 7 into 1, that is 7 into x raised to the power 0. So we can say that it does not have any zero. If a linear polynomial like example discussed with you, it has 1 0. If I take x square minus 4 is another polynomial, its degree is 2, it's a quadratic polynomial, it has 2 zeros. One of the 0 is 2, another 0 is minus 2. If there is a cubic polynomial, it has 3 zeros. If it is biquadratic polynomial, it has 4 zeros. 0 polynomial. Number 0 itself is known as the 0 polynomial and its degree is not defined because 0 can be written as 0 into x raised to the power 0. As per this condition, its degree has to be 0. 0 can be written as 0 into x raised to the power 1. As per this condition, its degree is 1. 0 can be written as 0 into x raised to the power 2. As per this condition, its degree is 2. 0 can be written as 0 into x cube. As per this condition, its degree is 3. Similarly, 0 can be written as 0 into x raised to the power infinity. As per this degree is infinity, so we say it may attain degree 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, infinity. Hence, the degree of 0 polynomial is not defined. What is not defined? Degree. Degree of what? Degree of 0 polynomial. Degree of 0 polynomial is not defined because it may attain any degree as discussed with you. And what is 0 polynomial? Number 0 itself is known as the 0 polynomial. Now I will take an example where we will check whether the given values are zeros of the given polynomial or not. To explain you, I am taking an example like this. First, 3x square plus 5x minus 8. Check whether x is equals to 1 and minus 1 are zeros or not. Why I am asking you to check 2? Because there is a probability chances occurrence of 2 zeros because this is a quadratic polynomial. So, first of all, I will assume px is equal to 3x square plus 5x minus 8. Now the question raised p of 1 because first result to be checked as 0 or not is 1. I am putting x equals to 1 both sides, so px become p of 1. 3 into 1 is square. 5 into 1 minus 8 become 3 into 1 plus 5 into 1 minus 8. This result becomes 3 plus 5 minus 8 is equals to 8 minus 8 is equals to 0. As I can check that if I put x equals to 1 in the given polynomial, I find the result of the right hand side is 0. So I will say yes, p of 1, as p of 1 is 0, so I will say yes, x is equals to 1 is the 0 of what? 3x square plus 5x minus 8. Now if I want to check whether x equal to minus 1 is its 0 or not, I have to put what? I have to put minus 1 in place of x. So that will be p of minus 1 is equal to 3 into minus 1 whole square, 5 into minus 1 minus 8. This becomes 3 minus 5 minus 8 is equals to 3 minus 13 is equals to minus 10. Result is not equal to 0. P of minus 1's result is not 0. So I will say x equals to minus 1 is not a 0 of what? 0 of 3x square plus 5x minus 8. Similarly, I can take the reverse of it, that polynomial is given and we want to trace that what are its zeros. Suppose a polynomial is, that is 3x minus 1, 2x plus 7 and x minus 3. Find the zeros. So first of all, I can explain you, this is linear polynomial, linear polynomial, linear polynomial. This entire polynomial is the product of three linear polynomials. So what can I conclude? That it is a cubic polynomial. As it is a cubic polynomial, so it will have how many zeros? It will have 3 zeros. As it is a cubic polynomial, so it will have how many zeros? It will have 3 zeros. As and when you want to find the zeros, you put the value of entire polynomial as 0. So I can say 3x minus 1, 2x plus 7 into x minus 3, this result has to be 0. I am looking for only those values of x on which this can be 0. So this implies 3x minus 1 0, 2x plus 7 0, x minus 3 0. Because when 0 is multiplied to any expression, the total results become 0. So with the help of this, I can say first part says x equals to 1 by 3, second part says x equals to minus 7 by 2, third part says x equal to 3. So its 3 zeros are minus 7 by 2, 1 by 3 and 3. These are the 3 zeros. So as and when some number is given to check whether it is 0 or not, you put that value in the polynomial, check, result comes 0, then it is 0, and if it is not 0, then you say the number given is not 0. Now application of the zeros. As example, if x equals to 2 and x equals to 0 are zeros of the polynomial px is equals to 2x cube minus 5x square plus ax plus b. Find the values of a and b. How? You have here a polynomial, cubic polynomial. What is this polynomial? This is 2x cube minus 5x square plus ax plus b. This is a cubic polynomial. It has two zeros, 2 and 0. Values of x are, one of the value is 2, another value is 0. The two answers of x, 2 and 0 are zeros of this polynomial. Meaning by, if I put x equals to 2, then this result become equal to 0. If I put x equal to 0, then also this result becomes 0. Now, what are such values of a and b which makes this polynomial as 2 and 0 is 0? So for that, first of all, as x is equal to 2 and x equal to 0 are zeros of above polynomial. So this implies P of 2's answer will be 0 and P of 0's answer will be 0. Meaning by once in place of x we will put 2 and once in place of x we will put 0. So first case I am taking, if I put 2. So answer of P of 2 will be 2 into 2 raised to the power 3 minus 5 into 2 square plus a into 2 plus b. This becomes 2 to the 4 to the 8, 2 the 16. 16 minus 2 to the 4, 5 the 20, plus 2a plus b. So answer of P of 2 is coming out to be, this is 20 negative, 16 positive, left minus 4 plus 2a plus b. But as given that x is equal to 2 is its 0, so on putting x equals to 2 in this polynomial, whatever has come out must be equal to 0. This implies minus 4 plus 2a plus b is equals to 0, equation number 1. Similarly, x is equal to 0 is also its 0. It is a cubic polynomial. It has 3 zeros. 2 of the zeros are mentioned, that is 2 and 0. Now I am taking the second condition. So for that P of 0. P of 0 here, P of x become P of 0 is equals to 2 into 0 cube minus 5 into 0 square plus a into 0 plus b is equals to, what will be that value? 0. But first I am calculating only P of 0. So answer of P of 0 is what? 0 minus 0 plus 0 plus b. So P of 0 is coming only b. But x equal to 0 is the 0 of this polynomial. So answer what so obtained by putting here x equal to 0 has to be equal to 0. This implies b is equal to 0. b is equal to 0 is the one of the answer. This one. If I put b is equal to 0 from 2 to 1, I will get minus 4 plus 2a plus 0 is equal to 0, which implies a is equal to 2. Hence, what are the answers? Answers are a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 0 are two such values of a and b, which when put here, then this result, this polynomial will maintain the conditions to have 2 and 0 as its zeros.